What is up, guys? Um, well, I didn't record a lot from the night that we rode out to Rocky Mount. Um, excuse the teeth in the background playing some GTA and shit, but yeah, I'm barely waking up. Um, but yeah, I didn't record on the night of the meet we had because my phone was dying. And then at the end of this video, there's like the one where we went to Wake Forest to Cars and Coffee with my boy, all my boys basically. But I didn't record there too either. I took a couple of pictures, posted on my Instagram. It'll be down in the descriptions down below. Had some on the Snapchat as well. I'll be having that down below too in the description. But other than that, it was fun. That's why I didn't have videos or anything done. But this time I will be having some. For whatever, there's another one. I'll be having some. I'm gonna be ordering some coils for my car probably today, and see how that goes. And yeah, hope y'all enjoy the rest of this clip. Some nice ass cars that we have now in the little group now. But yeah, hope y'all enjoy. Peace.
Same clothes, shoes, show up, I'm on the stage. I know you toes up, right on the way. I be turning up with all the best. I see further up than all the rest. I be burning rubber on the west side, smiling in the double on my check. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm on the way, I'm on the way. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm on the way, I'm on the way. Turning up with all the best. I see further up than all the rest. I'll be burning rubber on the west side, smiling in a double on my check. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm on the way, I'm on the way. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm on the way, I'm on the way. Born inside of Texas, moved to Georgia, back to Texas. Met a girl from Florida with money and a Lexus. She is so supportive, thinks her music is the bestest. Friends are staying stressed, just wait for me to make the next hit. Went and got the honors on the wall. I just got an offer from the call. How we pop the bottles at the show, we do it models and some really skinny joggers from the mall. I be turning up with all the best. I see further up than all the rest. I be burning rubber on the west side, smiling in